Hello, my name is Emily and I'm a product specialist. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Lovebox First Kinky Experience set. First up, we have the silky handcuffs, which is perfect for BDSM. They're very silky and you can determine how tight you want to go. Next up, we have our black bondage tape. When pulling this out and sticking it on your partner, it doesn't stick to your hairs, it's very comfortable to wear and will make an enjoyable experience. Next up, we have the blindfold. This will heighten your other senses during use. It has an elastic backing for the perfect fit and is very silky soft and smooth during use. We have the massage candle with a scent of wild orchid. Just light the candle up, wait for it to become an oil and pour it over your partner and enjoy a luxurious massage. Next up, we have the Flogger. It has a really good easy grip handle for during use, and it has little leather tassels just here, which make it really exciting and heighten your other senses during use. Next up, we have the feathery nipple clamps. Really simple and easy to use. Simply squeeze, put onto your nipples, and enjoy fantastic nipple stimulation. The feathers are nice and soft and will heighten your other senses. The nipple clamps are also adjustable using the little screws here. Simply turn to the left or the right and determine how tight you want them to go. We have the tickler, which is perfect for you to enjoy a new sensual sensory experience. Simply pop it on your skin like so and enjoy the fantastic sensations. And last but not least, we have the bullet vibrator. It has a pointy tip which is perfect for pinpoint stimulation. Batteries are included and it's very simple and easy to use. To turn on, press the little button at the top just there and it's on. To change through the settings, simply tap and choose how intense you want to go. To turn off, simply push and hold down and it's now off. And here we have our user manual, which is included in every pack. This was co-written by our professional sexologist in-house and has lots of tips and tricks and guides to help you with your first Lovebox Kinky experience. If you're curious to learn more, why not visit our webshop where you can view our other Lovebox starter sets and you can enjoy your first sex experience.